from SwissWatchExpo. Spotlight on Rolex diamond watches, the art of diamond setting at Rolex. Known for their exceptional craftsmanship, every Rolex watch immediately draws respect and admiration. The addition of diamonds ups the ante and is sure to make others do a double take. Rolex masters every step of the watchmaking process. That includes selecting the very best diamonds and using expert setting techniques to ensure that your Rolex diamond watch sparkles with unparalleled intensity. Here's what goes into making Rolex diamond watches. Subscribe to our channel to get updates on new videos. Diamond watches are ubiquitous these days, but many of what we see are aftermarket pieces. Rolex diamond watches are a cut above the rest because of the stringent process they go through inside the Rolex factory. Each diamond is handled by Rolex's in-house gemologist and gem setters, who are trained in the art of high jewelry. The process begins with the selection of the highest quality gemstones, which are analyzed based on their cut, clarity, color, and number of carats. Rolex's rigorous testing process relies on state-of-the-art equipment as much as it does on human expertise. Qualitative analysis is performed on the gemstones, with each diamond and gemstone subject to the same criteria. Once the gems have been chosen, the gemologists work together with designers and engineers to map out the layout of the diamonds and to prepare to the smallest micron the metal on which the stone will be set. Finally, every stone is set into the watches. A close look at Rolex diamond watches reveals the uniformity of each stone and their flawless alignment on the timepiece. Rolex uses only the finest diamonds on their watches. There is a standard grading system for diamonds used by organizations like the Gemological Institute of America. Stones are inspected using specialized equipment and rated for 4 qualities: cut, color, clarity, and carat. The cut of the diamond is rated based on how well proportioned each facet of the stone is and how these proportions affect the diamond's ability to capture light. The carat is a simple measurement of a diamond's weight. When analyzing a diamond's carat, grading organizations use an extremely accurate electronic machine to weigh diamonds to their 5th decimal place. Color is a measurement of how colorless a diamond is. There is actually a range of colors, even within the white diamond family. Diamonds are graded on a scale of D, or completely colorless, to Z, or lightly colored. Rolex uses only the most colorless of diamonds, those that belong to the highest ranges of D to G. Clarity refers to the purity of the diamond, internally and externally. As diamonds are natural materials, it is natural for some of them to have impurities. Internal flaws are called inclusions, while external flaws are referred to as blemishes. Only diamonds that are at least IF or internally flawless in quality pass Rolex's standards. Rolex uses 4 traditional setting techniques to secure the diamonds and highlight their intense sparkle. Bead setting is a technique for setting stone directly onto metal through concave depressions the same size as the stone. This technique is used for brilliant cut diamonds and creates the close-knit pave look. Closed setting is used for round diamonds, where a metal band encircles the rock to hold it in place. Channel setting is most used for baguette-cut diamonds, where stones of the same size are placed along a track between 2 walls of the metal. This technique is often seen in ultra-high-end Rolex watches with baguette bezels. Finally, there is the claw setting technique, where the gem is held in place by tiny slivers of metal around the corners of the stone. This is commonly used for faceted diamonds to secure the stone in place in an unobtrusive manner. Rolex's impeccable process brings out the inherent beauty of diamonds. Explore our selection of original Rolex factory diamond watches at SwissWatchExpo.com. Want to learn more about Rolex watches? Click on the upper right screen for our Rolex playlist. Don't miss out, we launch 2 videos weekly on the best and the latest in watches. To get updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel.